The end might not yet be quite legal, but we think there's gonna be some beer at our party. 106.5's End of Summer Weenie Roast is back. September 12th at the PNC Music Pavilion. Celebrating all 20 years of the end in Charlotte will be Stone Temple Pilots, Passion Pit, Bleachers, Atlas Genius, Live, MUTEMATH, Blues Traveler, Ex-Ambassadors,
And I say, hey, 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 live it like we're renegades. Hey, 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 live it like we're renegades.
Catfish and the Bottlemen,
Gotta give it to you. You give me problems when you are not in the mood.
I Am Dynamite, Langhorne Slim and the Law, Kopecky,
Talk to me, take me on your seat, 'cause I want to be everything you need.
Scratch and Sniff, plus our local weenie band search winner to kick the whole thing off. The 20th anniversary End of Summer Weenie Roast, September 12th, produced by Live Nation for 106.5 The End.